Hello everyone, welcome back to Dania's Kitchen. Thanks for joining us back. Today we are going to make the creamiest, cheesiest white sauce pasta. So all you cheese lovers, white sauce pasta lovers, check this recipe out, try and let us know how you like it. It's one of the easiest recipes out there, so just follow us. So now for this recipe you'll need 5 tablespoons of processed cheese, 5 tablespoons of maida, 5 tablespoons of butter, 200 grams of penne pasta. Then you'll need some veggies. Here I'm using 1/3 of yellow, green and red capsicum, half medium-sized onion. For seasoning, I'm going to use half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of red chili flakes and half teaspoon of black pepper. Then you'll need salt as per your taste and 500 ml of milk. That's it. Links to all the products will be in the description box below, so do check out. So first and foremost, we're going to boil the penne pasta. So for that, I'm taking a big vessel, adding required quantity of water and allowing it to boil. So I'll just cover the lid and wait for a good 10 minutes. Oops, I forgot to add salt and oil. So here you can see I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oil and salt as per your taste. It's very important to add the salt at this point because we want the pasta to be absorbing all the salt, and this is the point where it's going to do that. So don't miss out. And don't overdo the oil as well, because if you add too much of oil then it will not allow the white sauce to be soaked into the pasta. So as it is boiled, we've added, gonna mix it all really well once and just let it cook for a good 7 to 8 minutes. It depends on a lot of factors like the stove, the brand of pasta that you're using. Be careful, take it off the stove, strain it after 7 to 8 minutes and stop the cooling by pouring cold water. Wash all the pastas with some cold water so that it stops further cooking. At this point we're looking for, a white ring when you slit the pasta. As you can see here, this means that it's around 70% cooked. We don't want them to be completely cooked as well. Now let's move towards making the veggies. So I'm going to fry the veggies in some butter. So I have dropped a dollop of butter. Be careful whenever you're dealing with butter. We don't want it to burn. I'm just waiting for it to melt. Greasing the entire pan, and I'll toss in all the vegetables, starting with the onions. We don't want to overcook all these vegetables. We will again let it cook for about 70%. So this should not take a lot of time. It should just take you about 10 minutes or like 10 minutes. So I'm just adding some seasoning, that is basic salt and pepper. I'll toss it all really well. After sauteing all these, we keep the pan aside. Now we'll make the best part about white sauce pasta, and that is the white sauce. This is the star step of this entire recipe. So first I'm adding 5 tablespoons of butter and I'm gonna let it melt. Now you see it's all melted. Once it starts to heat a little bit, we're going to add maida, that is the all-purpose flour. Keep it on low flame, or if it's getting way too hot, you can even turn off the flame and just mix both the ingredients well together. It's kind of become like a paste when they are together. Make sure there are no like lumps. It's soft paste. Once you see a slight change in color, we're going to gradually add the milk. Keep whisking, keep stirring, so that we don't want the lumps to be formed at this point. I'm using a whisk in this case. You can use whisk or a folding spatula, whatever works for you. We don't want the lumps to be there. All this while, keep the stove on low flame. Don't increase the heat. We don't want any ingredient to get burnt at this point. As you can see, now it has become all the ingredients have come together really well, and a nice creamy paste was formed. Now at this point, we're gonna add the next ingredient, and that is the processed cheese. Here I'm just breaking it into small pieces so that it melts quicker and blends easier. Just keep mixing until it all melts and it's all together. Now it's all melted, mixed up. Now we're gonna add the seasoning. Here goes these sauteed vegetables. You can add or subtract or more veggies as well based on your liking. Once it's all mixed together, we're gonna add final ingredient, and that is the penne pasta. Mix all the ingredients together. Coat all the pasta into the white sauce. You can adjust the consistency by adding a little more water to make it more saucier. There you go. The amazing white sauce pasta is ready. As you can see, it is so simple to make, very few ingredients and 3 easy steps. I hope you like this recipe. Do try out. Let us know how you liked it. If you liked it, do hit the like button on this video. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Bye.